Hello Bubbly, I am going to make bonfire slime. The stars of the show today, besides the slime, are some beautiful autumn leaves, some twigs, and 3 sparklers. Okay, so regarding the slime, I'm going to try and make it the color of this leaf. So for this I'm going to use white glue. A whole lot of it. And then some shaving foam. And I'll mix. Okay, and now comes the really important bit, which is the color. So I'm going to put this right here and see if I can get it right. Okay, so first I'm adding some yellow coloring. Then some golden coloring. And now I shall add a bit of this one. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so this is pretty much the shade I want. It's time for the magic ingredient, which is the activator. Okay, so it's time to get my hands dirty. Okay, so this is our slime. Okay, so we will now let this rest for a bit. Okay, so this is our slime. I'm going to set it aside for a minute. So we need to make the sparklers somehow stand up in the slime. And so for that, I'm going to use this kind of sponge, because this can actually hold the sparklers in place. About this big. Now the sparklers. And now some leaves. And some twigs. Okay, so now let's light these sparklers. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this. Bye, Bubbly.